Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 14, and the name of our unit is plants. Today I am going to give you a complete review of this unit. So my dear students, हम पूरे unit के तमाम SLOs complete कर चुके हैं, लेकिन before that let's quickly review previous lecture कि हमने previous lecture में क्या पढ़ा था. We performed a project, हमने एक project बन किया था जिसमें हमने growth of plant जो है और उसके लिए क्या क्या factors necessary हैं हमने उनको observe किया था. So quickly tell me that should we water plants, do we need to? This question should be, do we need to water plants daily? Yes, we need to water plants daily or on time. Now, do we need to place plants in dark or in sunlight? So, हमें पौधों को कहाँ रखना चाहिए, sunlight में या darkness में? They must be placed in sunlight. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for review. हम रिवाइज करते हैं, तमाम SLOs को हम रिवाइज करेंगे, तमाम कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिवाइज करेंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने लेक्चर में पढ़ा था अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. सो फूड कहाँ से लेते हैं, हाउ प्लांट्स गेट देयर फूड, दे मेक देयर ओन फूड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, एयर एंड वाटर इन देयर लीव्स. एंड व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, प्लांट के कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं, रूट्स, स्टेम, लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड stem. ठीक है, roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. These are the parts of the plant. Now what roots do for plants? They absorb the water and nutrients from the soil. Okay, then we studied about the all parts of the plants. हमने roots के बारे में पढ़ा, stem के, leaves के और flowers के बारे में पढ़ा. So roots जो हैं वो different types की होती हैं. So what are edible roots? Edible roots are the stored fat होता है roots के अंदर जो कि जो है उनको एडिबल बना देता है, हमारे खाने के काबिल बना देता है. देन व्हाट स्टेम डज फॉर द प्लांट, स्टेम जो है ये ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स को और वाटर को फ्रॉम रूट्स टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट एंड इट आल्सो सपोर्ट्स द प्लांट. देन व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लीव्स, फंक्शंस लीव्स जो हैं ऑफ लीव्स. ओके, सो लीव्स का फंक्शन ये है कि दे मेक द फूड ऑफ द प्लांट. Then what flowers do for the plant? They are the fragrant or the colorful part of the flower. They help to make the seeds and fruit, and they also attract the insects for pollination. Okay. Then next what we studied about the different shapes of the leaves. So leaves की मुख्तलिफ shapes होती हैं, different plants में different shaped leaves होते हैं. So what are different shapes of the leaves? Heart shaped, needle shaped, narrow shaped, then there is layer shaped, then rectangular shaped, ellipse shaped. So these are the different shapes of the leaves. Then we studied about the needs of the plant. So plant needs air, water, sunlight, temperature, and it needs soil to grow well. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. For evaluation, you need to do a worksheet, assessment sheet. You need to download this from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. इसके लिए मैं आपको हेल्प नहीं करूंगी, आपको इसको गौर से पढ़ना है और खुद करना है. So write down your name and your class and then write the names of the given edible roots. यहाँ पे कुछ edible roots हैं, आपको इनके names लिखने हैं. This is extremely easy. Then answer the questions. What are the common shapes of the leaves? What are the parts of the plants? What plants need to grow well? Extremely easy. तमाम SLO based questions हैं, आप इनको कर चुके हैं multiple times, आपने इनको activity में भी perform किया है. So my dear students, pause the video and quickly complete your assessment sheet. I hope everybody has done it. Submit it to your teacher. She will evaluate you by giving you marks and grades. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will complete exercise B from your chapter number 14. And write down the shape of the following leaves. यहाँ पे कुछ leaves लिखे हुए हैं, दिए गए हैं, आपको इनके name, इनकी shapes लिखनी है. Rectangular, heart shape, oval, then needle shaped. This is sagittate. This is narrow. This is again heart shaped, and this is layer shaped. So these are the different shapes of the leaves. You can also take help from your book. Okay, my dear students, this was your homework. So now is the time for wrap up. So in this unit, we have learned that Plants have 4 parts: roots, leaves, stem, and flower. And some roots are edible like beetroots, turnips, and radish. Different plants have different shapes. Common shapes are oval, elliptical, and oblong. Plants need water, air, sunlight, and temperature to grow. So my dear students, I hope you have learned a lot of things from this unit. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.